Hi, my name is Vikas Singh, and I'm a senior technical consultant and master trainer for data science and full stack development at Brillica Services. I have more than 12 years of experience in training industry, and I'm here to talk about the most prevalent, most trending, and most fascinating technology nowadays with immense possibilities. That is artificial intelligence. So, first of all, try to understand what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is basically the capability of a software or a machine that can learn from a data like a human being. So, if you talk about the intelligence, intelligence basically refers to the capability of learning, means how a person or a machine can acquire knowledge, can understand, and can apply the knowledge to solve the problem and adapt to new situations and make decisions. So, this type of capability in which a person can learn from the data is called intelligence. And if we are trying to develop this kind of capability within the machine or within the software, then this artificial capability of machine to learn from the data is called artificial intelligence. So, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning technologies have entered the mainstream. They are being adopted by enterprises all over the world. While these technologies certainly hold the potential to vastly improve the quality of operations in the corporate sector, they also stand to disrupt many existing markets. The self-improving nature of machine learning allows solution to dynamically develop according to the needs of the problem at hand. Artificial intelligence holds the potential not only to replicate human thoughts, but to elevate human capabilities, pushing the limits of what's possible. It is the force that amplifies creativity, accelerates discovery, and reshape our very understanding of intelligence. Many experts believe that AI could become one of the biggest threats to the world, which is scary, but obviously this is not going to happen so soon. So if you talk about the types of artificial intelligence, then based on capabilities, we have three types of artificial intelligence. Narrow AI, which is dedicated for one type of task, just like a chess game can play a game only. This cannot do any other task. So this is called weak AI or narrow AI. And second category is general AI, in which a machine, a software, a model, or you can say, or AI powered application can perform multiple tasks like human beings. It can use their intelligence in different tasks. That's why it is called artificial general intelligence, AGI. And on top of artificial general intelligence, we have another level of intelligence, artificial intelligence, which is called super intelligence, which is basically beyond the human being. So we have different type of fields and applications of artificial intelligence, like virtual assistant. We can use autonomous vehicle and fraud detection systems, medical diagnosis and imaging, personalized recommendation in medical science or in education system, chatbots and customer supports, language translation like Google Translate, and predictive analysis in business. And of course, you have used facial recognition system in your mobile. So these are the different kind of applications based on artificial intelligence. So we have designed on top of artificial intelligence and state of the art designed course modules in which we are covering Python with NumPy and Pandas libraries and required mathematics for the artificial intelligence. Then all type of machine learnings like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and semi-supervised learning. Also, we can cover reinforcement learning and ensemble learning. And then we'll go for the deep learning, which is core concept of the artificial intelligence. And on, you can say on application level, we have NLP, natural language processing, and computer vision working with the graphics in artificial intelligence, and some AI tools, required tools, and most important tools nowadays with ethics. That is basically most important part of the artificial intelligence. It requires proper regulation policies and proper governance at the time of the development. And at last, we have some amazing projects, hands-on projects like text reader and translators, or summarization assistant, or document digitizer, or image classifications, recommendation systems, and chatbots. So that was all about artificial intelligence course, and thank you so much.